Okay, we got a little conundrum here. This is 100% of Andrea's making.
Right.
So last time I got the pallet forks off, I put them back here, which was near the backhoe, because it would be nice and out of the way. Then we bought a spreader and got a whole bunch of hay, and the whole time I'm thinking, it's like, all right, we'll just put this stuff here and then I'll move it with the pallet forks. Well, we got a slight problem. I need to move this stuff with the pallet forks, and the pallet forks are right there.
I'm just gonna laugh at you.
So we got two different things that we can do. One is we can pick all the stuff up individually and move it, but that sounds boring and sounds like it's going to be no fun. So what I'm going to do,
that when you can redneck it.
Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to redneck it with the tractor with our little clips here and our tie downs, and I'm gonna see if I can drag the pallets out enough to get these out of the way so I can attach the pallet fork, and then all will be right in the world. So let's go see how this is gonna happen. Alright, round one. Let's see if this works. We wrapped it behind the bucket and then attached it onto the pallet, and so I'm going to attempt to drag it out. So Andre is going to film.
Oh, we have movement. There's one. And here goes number two. Good thing we don't have kids, because they'd probably want him to do this all the time, which is probably not what you're supposed to do. Now he's untangling. I think he's going to drop the bucket and pick up the actual forks. Yep. We'll be back. And just like that, he's got the forks on. He just has to lock them in place now. We'll be back. All locked up. And this is what it looks like when you have the forks on. Piece of cake. And he's leaving the forks on because we need to use these pallets to move all the turmeric that's under that shade tunnel. Here comes Jeff.
All right, the best type of problem solving is problem that the tractor caused and then the tractor turns around and solves. So if we didn't have the tractor, I wouldn't have got the pallet fork stuck behind here to begin with. So anyway, that was kind of fun. So now we're going to put the tarp back so we can keep our hay dry. And the whole reason for doing this is I wanted to get the pallet fork out so we can grab these pallets over here, because we're going to move them, put them over there so we can get the turmeric out. So then we can dismantle our old greenhouse, which took a big wallop in the storm that we had today. And so we're going to take all the turmeric, put them on pallets, and then move them over to this area over here, which in between our manure piles, because that area gets shade all the time. So that's the whole goal of this. And then at some point in the future, we might figure out whether or not the turmeric actually needs to be in the shade, but that's a future problem. So I just thought this was kind of fun to try to do a little lighthearted video of me creating a problem because things I needed to move with the pallet forks were in front of the pallet forks. So problem solved. Good old tractor ingenuity.